Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Under 10 Minutes. For as long as humans have gazed at the stars, one question has haunted us. Are we alone? Every twinkling light in the night sky is a sun, and many of those suns cradle planets. Some of those planets may look eerily like Earth with oceans, mountains, and skies of their own. The sheer scale of the cosmos suggests that life should be everywhere, and yet, despite decades of searching, the universe has remained stubbornly silent. Today, we embark on a journey through science, mystery, and imagination to confront the greatest question of all: do aliens exist? So let's find out. Consider this: our Milky Way galaxy alone contains over 100 billion stars. Astronomers now know that most of those stars host planets, and many of those planets lie in the so called habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Multiply that by 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, and the numbers become almost incomprehensible. If even a tiny fraction of those worlds harbor life, then the cosmos should be teeming with neighbors. The Drake equation, a famous formula devised to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations, suggests that the odds are in the favor of life being out there, and yet the silence persists. This contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. If life is so probable, why haven't we seen any evidence? Some scientists argue that civilizations may rise and fall quickly, destroying themselves before they can spread across the stars. Others suggest that advanced beings are simply uninterested in us, or that they are so far beyond our comprehension that we won't even recognize their signals. Perhaps we are too early in cosmic history or too late, arriving after others have already vanished. It is as if we are standing in a crowded stadium, convinced that voices should echo all around us, but hearing only silence. As a matter of fact, many claim we have seen signs of aliens. In 1947, a rancher in Roswell, New Mexico, reported strange debris scattered across his land, sparking decades of speculation about crashed alien craft. In 1980, US Air Force personnel at Randlesham Forest in England described glowing lights and metallic objects near their base, a case still debated today. More recently, Navy pilots captured infrared footage of objects moving at impossible speeds, nicknamed the Tic Tac UFOs. These incidents, some confirmed by radar and multiple witnesses, remain unexplained. Are they visitors from beyond, or simply misidentified aircraft, weather balloons, or classified military technology? The mystery remains tantalizing, but science demands more than shadows and whispers. The SETI program scans the skies for radio signals that might give us information about intelligent life. The James Webb Space Telescope peers into distant atmospheres searching for biosignatures like oxygen and methane. On Mars, rovers dig into ancient soil for traces of microbial life, while icy moons such as Europa and Enceladus conceal oceans that may be rich with chemistry. NASA has been clear about this. So far, Earth is the only confirmed cradle of life. Yet, its scientists believe the odds favor discovery elsewhere. They emphasize that we don't need to define life perfectly to detect its chemical fingerprints. Webb and future telescopes could reveal atmospheres rich in gases that hint at biology, and asteroid samples have already returned building blocks of life. For NASA, the search for aliens is not fantasy, it is one of humanity's greatest scientific frontiers. The mystery of alien life has fascinated not only scientists but also leaders and thinkers. Ronald Reagan once mused that an alien threat might unite humanity, saying, "I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world." Stephen Hawking warned that while alien life is likely common, intelligent civilizations may be rare and contact could be dangerous. Barack Obama admitted that while he saw no evidence of contact during his presidency, he believes the odds favor life elsewhere. Donald Trump, meanwhile, pushed for the release of UFO files, declaring that the public had a right to know. These voices remind us that the question of aliens is not just scientific, it is deeply human, shaping politics, philosophy, and imagination. There are lots of theories about this topic as well. Some scientists propose panspermia, the idea that life spreads across the universe via comets and asteroids, seeding planets like cosmic gardeners. Others imagine the zoo hypothesis, where advanced civilizations deliberately avoid contact, watching us from afar as we evolve, much like humans observe animals in a reserve. And then there is a simulation theory. Perhaps aliens aren't out there at all because we ourselves are inside their creation, a vast program designed for reasons we cannot fathom. Each theory stretches the imagination, reminding us that the universe may be stranger than we can conceive. It is important to remember this. Many UFO sightings have turned out to be weather balloons, satellites, or experimental aircraft. Human perception is fallible. Our brains crave patterns and often see meaning where it does not exist. The danger lies in mistaking mystery for proof, in leaping to conclusions without evidence. The search for aliens must balance wonder with skepticism, curiosity, and discipline. The question of alien existence matters deeply because it is ultimately about us. If aliens exist, then humanity is part of a vast cosmic community, one species among countless others. If they do not, then we are the universe's only storytellers, the sole bearers of consciousness in an otherwise silent cosmos. Either possibility is profound. To be alone is to carry immense responsibility, to not to be alone is to share in a grander narrative than we ever imagined. So, do aliens exist? The truth is, we don't know. But the search itself defines us. It reveals our curiosity, our restlessness, a refusal to accept limits. Perhaps tomorrow a signal will arrive, a whisper from the stars. Perhaps centuries will pass with no answer. But until then, we keep asking, keep searching, keep wondering. Because the greatest mystery is not only out there, it is within us in the very act of questioning. And that, perhaps, is the most alien thing of all, our endless hunger to know. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share among your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.